Sam Bankman Fried has been released on a $250 million bail payment, and the following document from the United States District Court shows the terms of his release. So we can see the terms of his release: $250 million secured by cash or property. Of course, they went for a property, the parents' home in Palo Alto. This property is valued at about $4 million, so just about a fraction of that amount of money is what is being paid here. A lot of people are asking where he got the money for this bail payment, because when he was granting interview on different Twitter spaces before his arrest, he did say sometime that he had barely 100K in his bank account. So the question is, where did he get this amount of money? Of course, we know now the parents put up this property for his bail, right? So as we can see here, for the terms of his bail: travel restricted. The other one is to surrender travel documents, and pre-trial supervision, strict pre-trial supervision, and location monitoring. Of course, they are going to do that. This is a serious fraud case, and this is a case where a huge amount of money is being paid for bail, and this is pretty much the biggest bail payment in the US history. The closest would be that of Bernard Madoff, made in 2008, about $10 million bail payment. It doesn't even come close, and this is even the biggest bail payment for crypto-related fraud. So if we look at other terms here, we can see not to possess firearm. So what do you guys think? The internet is already boiling with regards to this news here. Some people are saying, so no GPS monitoring, because on this document here it wasn't checked. Now moving away from SBF to Caroline Ellison. As we all know, Caroline Ellison was the CEO of Alameda Research and one of the 3 executives implicated in the fraud case against FTX. If you've been following the recent news on this case, you would probably recall that Caroline Ellison was reported to have pleaded guilty to a 7-count charge, while Gary Wayne, a co-founder of FTX, on the other hand, pleaded guilty to just a 4-count charge. Now, the unfolding news from the transcripts of her December 19 plea hearing is that she said the following: "We prepared certain quarterly balance sheets that concealed the extent of Alameda's borrowing and the billions of dollars in loans that Alameda had made to FTX executives and to related parties." So she is talking, and from reports, she is cooperating with prosecutors as part of her plea agreement. So Caroline Ellison is talking. It has been SBF talking. Now Caroline Ellison is talking, and the more she talks, the more the fraud is exposed. So these are the latest developments with regards to this case. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. This is Big LBs, and this is your guy Ken signing off.